Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Windows 11 updated and enough disk space, because OneDrive sync needs room. Sign in with your Microsoft account when prompted so settings and files tie to your identity. Once done, open OneDrive from the taskbar or Start menu to launch its setup wizard. The wizard walks you through basic folders. Choose which default folders to sync now so you avoid unnecessary downloads. This gets OneDrive running and connected quickly. Next, focus on how OneDrive handles data. Open OneDrive settings, go to Account and choose folders to control exactly what syncs, because selective sync prevents clutter. Make sure Files on Demand is enabled so files show placeholders and don't consume local storage until opened. Also set upload and download limits and specify metered network rules to avoid bandwidth spikes. These settings balance responsiveness and storage, and they keep your machine from syncing more than you need. To finish, verify sync status via the taskbar icon and open the OneDrive folder to confirm files appear as expected. If a sync error occurs, click the icon for details. Common fixes are restarting OneDrive, unlinking and relinking your account, or using the reset command. These reinitialize configuration without data loss. Make sure file version history and personal vault are enabled for important files. If problems persist, check storage quotas and your Microsoft account security settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.